Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide WhatsApp status from some contacts. Firstly guys, what you need to do, you need to go on the three dots on your right upper side and then select the second selection, settings side. Right after that you need to choose the first option, the account option, and then you need to go for the privacy section. Then as you can see here we have an options in which are related for who can see my personal informations, and we need to choose the fourth selection that says status. Click on it, and now how to hide this status from some contacts is simply by going and sharing or choosing the second option by my contacts accept. Click on it, and here you can go and select all the contacts that you want to hide from them your status on your site on WhatsApp. For example, we'll go with this one, and I will go on the tick right down, go done, and that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video, and if you have some problems please comment down below in the section. See you soon guys.